Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rahman Anjum. Welcome to my channel, Anjum's Ravishing English. Idiom 16. Play with fire means to do something that could have a very dangerous or harmful result. खतरनाक खेल खेलना, सख्त खतरा मोल लेना, आग से खेलना. Example sentences. Pakistan Army is ever ready to play with fire for the defense of the country. पाक फौज मुल्की दिफा के लिए आग से खेलने के लिए हर वक्त तैयार है. These people are criminals, and if you get involved with them, you will be playing with fire. ये लोग मुजरिम हैं और अगर तुम इनमें शामिल हो जाओगे तो तुम सख्त खतरा मोल लोगे. Play with fire. खतरनाक खेल खेलना. Are you ready for more fun learning? Then like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.